Your life is a reflection of your thoughts. If you change your thoughts, change your emotion. If you change your emotions, change your actions. Most people never realize they are thinking the same negative thoughts on autopilot every single day. But today, I want to show you how to take back control and create a better life. Number one, you are not thinking, you are repeating. Psychology says 95% of your thoughts come from your subconscious mind. That means most of what you do, you are not even aware of it, just a pattern. Here's the good news. You can reprogram your subconscious mind. From your childhood, your brain is like a sponge. It's abuse, belief, fear, and habits, even not yours. Maybe someone told you this. You are not smart enough and you will never make it. People like you don't succeed. And over time, you believe that story. But here is the truth. Your subconscious mind works for you. And starting today, you can rewrite a script. You can rewrite your own story. You can rewrite your own life. You can rewrite your own thoughts. Whatever negative thought that you have been thinking, today, you can change it. You can create positive life. If you decide to change your subconscious mind. And if you stay with me to the end of this video, you'll discover the best way and how you can change your subconscious mind. Part 2, reframe the story. Reframe your story. One powerful way, rewrite your thoughts. It's called reframe. Catch the thoughts and reflect the meaning. Let's say maybe if someone says negative thing to you, you just take it as a positive thing. Whatever negative thought that you are thinking about, you reframe it, give it a meaning, different meaning. Let's say you want to say something, some negative thing like I'm stuck. Instead of for you to say I'm stuck, you can reframe it and give it a meaning. I'm in a season of growth. I am in a season of growth. Instead of for you to say I fail, you will say I learned something valuable. So maybe let's say you are doing something and you fail. You have failed in your 20s. Make it a lesson. That's why we call it reframe. You give it a meaning. That's how you reframe your thoughts. You reframe your mind. The story that you tell yourself becomes the reality that you live. Whatever that you say to yourself, it becomes you, your life. It becomes part of your life. If you accept negative thoughts will become your life. But if you accept positive, peaceful and mindful. So why not start telling something that will empower you to your life? Number 3, focus on your next step. Focus on your next step. There is a quote that changed my life. A boy and a horse walking through the woods. Maybe you are being in a situation that you can't see yourself going out of it. Maybe you are addicted to something that you can't see your way out. Listen to this quote. Change your life. Change my life. Change your life. The boy says, I can't see my way through. And the horse replied, can you see your next step? And the boy says, yes. And the horse says, then take it. Take that step. That's all life is. We get overwhelmed looking too far ahead. We get overwhelmed looking to our future. The business that you want to start, you are thinking about maybe having it over millions of dollars or thousands of dollars before you start the business. But here is this. Any amount that you have, start with it. Any opportunity that you have now, make good use of that opportunity. We get anxious thinking about 10 years from now. But all you need is your next step. All you need is actions. Just take it. The rest will follow. So stop thinking about where are you going to get that money from, or where are you going to get the money from, the links that you are looking for. No, you don't need any links from anyone. What you need is to start. When you start, the rest will follow. The money will come. The links will come. Gratitude and visualize. Gratitude grounds your thinking. Gratitude grounds your thinking. Every night before you sleep, write down 3 things that you are thankful for. No matter how small it is, just write it down. No matter how your day went, or what you achieved, or what you couldn't achieve, just write it down. Write those 3 things that you achieved. The smaller things that you achieve, just write it down. You will start training your mind to focus on what is working in your life. But your mind will focus on the things that you achieve, the things that is working in your life. Then visualize the future. Picture the person that you want to become, how they think. What do they say to themselves when they fail? What do they say to themselves? And how do they walk through life? And start thinking like that person now. And watch yourself growing into. Let's make it real. Comment below. What is one negative thought that you have replaced this? Your mind can either be your prisoner or your power. The choice is yours. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel.